Prepare to redefine your expectations of a compact SUV. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is here, and it's nothing short of breathtaking. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this beauty a class leader. From its stunning design to the powerful performance and cutting-edge features that put it in a league of its own. Buckle up, because this is going to be a ride you won't forget. Let's start with what grabs everyone's attention first, the design. The 2025 Mazda CX-5's Kodo design language has been dialed up to perfection. Up front, the bold grille features a new honeycomb pattern, flanked by slimmer, more aggressive LED headlights that give it a fierce road presence. The deep red metallic paint you see here, Mazda calls it Soul Red Crystal, looks almost alive under the sunlight, adding a level of sophistication that's rare in this segment. Swing around to the back, and you'll notice the sleek taillights that stretch into the body, emphasizing the SUV's wide stance. Dual exhaust tips complete the sporty look, while the subtle roof spoiler hints at the CX-5's dynamic capabilities. Whether it's parked or in motion, this SUV demands a second look. Now, stepping inside is like entering a premium lounge. The first thing that hits you is the stunning two-tone red and black leather interior. Mazda has truly raised the bar, blending luxury and functionality seamlessly. Every surface feels high quality, from the stitched leather dashboard to the soft-touch door panels. The minimalist center console houses an intuitive rotary controller for the infotainment system, which is displayed on a crisp 10.25-inch screen. But it's not all about aesthetics. The seats are not just beautiful but supremely comfortable, offering excellent support for long drives. Rear passengers are equally pampered with ample legroom, USB ports, and rear air vents. Plus, with the rear seats folded flat, the CX-5's cargo space can handle just about anything, from weekend getaways to DIY projects. Under the hood, the 2025 CX-5 doesn't just look the part, it plays it too. The turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers an impressive 250 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque, providing plenty of grunt for overtaking or merging onto highways. And thanks to Mazda's renowned G-Vectoring Control Plus, the handling is razor sharp. Around corners, it feels more like a sporty hatchback than an SUV. This is a car that will make you fall in love with driving all over again. Mazda hasn't skimped on technology either. The CX-5 comes equipped with a head-up display, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded 12-speaker Bose sound system that turns every ride into a concert. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and the latest iActiveSense suite that keeps you protected in all scenarios. So, who is the 2025 Mazda CX-5 for? Whether you're a city dweller looking for style and practicality, or an enthusiast craving a little driving excitement, this SUV ticks all the boxes. With its perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge tech, the CX-5 is not just a car, it's a statement. That's a wrap on our review of the 2025 Mazda CX-5. Let us know in the comments what you think about this stunning SUV. Would you consider it for your next ride? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.